शिवाजी महाराज का जन्म जो है वो शिवनेरी फोर्ट जुन्नर पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हुआ था। उनका जन्म फरवरी 19 से 1630 में हुआ था। उनका पूरा नाम था शिवाजी शाहजी भोसले। मदर का ही हुआ था मास्टर ऑफ अ गरिला वॉरफेयर। तो उन्होंने मराठा आर्मी को एस्टेब्लिश किया। ही द फर्स्ट किंग हु एस्टेब्लिश अ मराठा किंगडम इन मराठा किंगडम, and he appointed both Hindus and Muslim as an officer without any discrimination in his army. He defeated Afzal Khan of Adil Shahi in 1-to-1 fight at Pratapgarh near Mahabaleshwar, Satara. He is also known as the father of Indian Navy. He and his son famously escaped from the imprisonment in Agra from Aurangzeb in disguise in 17 August 1966. His name came from regional deity Shivai Devi. He successfully escaped Panala Fort when Siddhi Johar army trapped it. His mother name is Jizabai and father name is Shahji. He captured his first fort at Torna at the age of 16. And he was coronated on 6th June 1674 at Raigad Fort after the Battle of Sinhagad. He died on 3rd April 1680. He established Maratha Kingdom and hold the title of Chhatrapati after the coronation. He was having two sons. First son was Sambhaji and second son was Rajaram. Henry Oxenden, the English Deputy Governor of Bombay of East India Company, was also present at the coronation ceremony of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj on 6 June 1674 at Raigad Fort. He introduced whole gold coin at the time of his coronation ceremony. At the coronation ceremony, he declared and established Ashtapradhan Mandal to look after the administrative function of the kingdom. Gaga Bhatta was the Purohit who did the coronation of the Shivaji Maharaj. He attacked Surat, Mughal territory in 1664. Shivrai coin was also introduced by him, and the Shivrai coin was made up of copper. He controlled and Dabhol Harbor in 1669. He attacked Shaiste Khan in Pune on 5th April 1663. Shivaji Maharaj was having his one step brother. His name was Venkoji Maharaj. He was ruling Tanjavur area in Tamil Nadu. It means today's Tamil Nadu. Rajgarh was his first capital. Moro Trambak Pingle was his main officer. We can call him as the Peshwa of Ashtapradhan Mandal. Hambirrao Moite was his army chief in Ashtapradhan Mandal. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Raje succeeded Shivaji Raje. He succeeded Maratha Kingdom after the death of Shivaji Maharaj. Tanaji Malusare and Suryaji Malusare, they were leading the Maratha army when they won the Sinhagad fort. Shivaji Maharaj took an oath of Swarajya in the temple of Raireshwar at around age of 16. Panala fort was later named as the Sinhagad fort as Tanaji Malusare died in that fort. Bahirji Naik was a Maratha spy and head of intelligence in Maratha army and of Shivaji Maharaj. Treaty of Purandar was signed on 11 June 1665 between Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Raja Jai Singh I, and Raja Jai Singh I was the commander of Mughal Empire. In 1666, he defeated Maratha army, and Shivaji Maharaj defeated Mughal army and captured Fort Umargarh.